Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related news, I need to ask a quick favor of you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content. Once again, leave a like, subscribe, and now let's get into today's news. Ripple is working on a loan offering that will work in connection with its XRP payment solution. Very interesting here, guys. Something to really pay attention to, the amount of moves Ripple is making behind the scenes while the rest of the crypto market just waits for the moon. Ripple is making it happen. Ripple is the hustler of companies in a sense. They don't stop working. They don't stop looking for new avenues for XRP growth and for more XRP utility value. The quick take, Ripple is venturing into lending. A recent job posting illustrates the company's offering would provide working capital loans to its RippleNet customers. A Ripple spokesperson told the block that the loan product would work in connection with ODL, that is on-demand liquidity payment solution, which uses XRP. Ripple is building a lending offering, a spokesperson of the company has confirmed to the block. The company has provided working capital loans to RippleNet customers, and Ripple is currently hiring a director of product management for its loans division. Quote, "We are expanding our offering to loans to further support our customers with their working capital needs, something that we know is a huge pain point for many of them," the spokesperson said. Working capital loans are usually sought by small and medium-sized firms for funding their daily business operations. Ripple loan products will work in connection with its ODL payment solution, which uses XRP, the spokesperson told the block. Quote, "The offering is still in its early stages, but we have received positive feedback from several customers. Global payments remain at the heart of our business, and we are excited to find new ways to serve our existing and prospective RippleNet customers." Specific details of the product remain unclear, of course, because this is very new news. At this stage, since its early days, Ripple is looking for someone who will bring the loan product to market from concept to launch per the open director position. It is seeking someone with, quote, "strong leadership skills," as they will need to collaborate heavily with internal teams and customers. Ripple's moves to bring in a lending product chief comes from months after it raised $200 million Series D in December. 2017 mention is worth noting that Miguel Valles, who recently left Ripple as the former head of XRP markets, first mentioned the company's lending plan back in 2017. In an interview at the time, he said, quote, "One of my longer term goals after I get the ecosystem built out, after I get payments running through there, as I try to merge the two worlds, the digital asset market and the traditional capital market, as I try to do that, one of the levers that we will be able to pull will be lending." Now, this is just key here to show that things do not happen overnight. This has been in the works since 2017. I know there's a lot of impatient internet trolls out there. You'll see some comments on this video. "Oh, well, Ripple's XRP's price isn't going up." You guys, you got to be patient here. This is not something that happens overnight. This is a year-long process, but I do believe, and again, this is not financial advice, but I do believe in the end, those who have hodled through it all will be rewarded the most. Ripple has over 300 customers, and more than a dozen customers of the total base use the ODL solution to settle cross-border payments. Some of the ODL customers include money transfer firms MoneyGram and FlashFX, online workforce platform GoLance, and financial service providers Interbank Peru, among others. The ODL solution currently supports Mexico, the Philippines, the Australian markets. Ripple recently said that the support for Brazil is coming soon, as well as additional corridors across the Asian Pacific, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, and Latin America are in progress for this year. So again, more things are coming. More things are coming. People are looking at the price of XRP and saying, "Hey, why isn't it so high?" Not everything's out yet. Not everything will be out for a couple years. This is a year-long process, guys. But if you hodl through it, I firmly believe a lot of people are going to be made very wealthy from XRP just because of the tremendous utility value there. You see them getting into loans now. You see them getting into smart contracts, right? I did a video on that not too long ago. There is a lot going on here with XRP, and I think you got to be patient with it. Next up, we're going to move into CoinMarketCap. Before we get started with that, I know a lot of people are at home right now, or even if you are out working, guys, do you want to build your own online business? this, if you think that's a great idea, if you're ready to build your own online business and you want a program that will take you from 0 to 100, check out the link in the description. I have an affiliate marketing program in the description that will teach you everything you need to know on affiliate marketing. It's very affordable, it's very effective, it has testimonials, and it has turned people into really massive successes on the internet, okay? So if that's something that will interest you, if you're ready to actually work from home and have your own business, no BS, and you want to actually hustle on it and you're a hard worker, check out the link in the description. It's a no-nonsense program that will teach you how to make $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, even $600 a day, potentially even more, doing online affiliate marketing. Check out the program linked in the description. Now we're moving into CoinMarketCap today. Most of your top coins are down 1 to 2% on the day. Bitcoin down 1.52%, Ethereum down 1%, XRP down 1%. It's down the least of the top three. Bitcoin Cash down 0.94%, Bitcoin SV down 1.38%, Litecoin down almost 1%, Binance Coin down almost 2%, EOS is up almost 3% on the day, Stellar is up almost is up 1.27% on the day, and Cardano is up 1.29% on the day. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 67.4%, and total market cap is at 258 billion US dollars. Things are looking very interesting right now in the crypto markets as far as price action go. Ooh, Ethereum Classic up 5% today. Not too bad there. IOTA up about 3%. Also, I have another quick story. Reddit rolls out community points on Ethereum to incentivize positive behavior. For those of you who don't know, I have been using Reddit for quite a few years. It is one of my favorite websites. It is basically a forum website. I'm not sure if social media is the right word. It's more of like a anonymous forum website. And basically, Reddit has expanded its community points trial, offering users a way to earn a piece of their favorite communities built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. So we are seeing some more utilization from the Ethereum network as well. XRP and Ethereum seem to be the top platforms for companies to really start using, and I think this is great news because I own both of those coins. I own Ethereum and I own XRP. I don't think everything is a one-size-fits-all approach, and I don't think just because one coin does good, it means other coin has to do bad. I think there is a healthy in-between where, yes, you do own XRP, you have that massive bag of XRP, but you could own a couple other altcoins as well and hope the best for them. Personally, my two favorites are XRP and Ethereum, but Reddit will be using Ethereum in a slide presentation published Wednesday evening. Reddit revealed its plan to utilize the Ethereum network to incentivize the creation of quality posts and comments. The points can be spent on premium features and used as a measure of reputation in the community, the social media platform said. Users are rewarded based on their contribution to their favorite channel, with the community ultimately deciding how many points each user receives. Users can hoard their points or spend them on unique features such as badges, custom emojis, and GIFs in the comments. Quote, "We continuously run experiments to explore features that engage our users and communities. With community points, we're working exclusively with 2 communities to test this feature and gather feedback from our users. Those 2 communities are probably going to be cryptocurrency and Fortnite Battle Royale. In addition, users will be able to leave a tip for comments they like or posts they see as valuable. Users will be able to transfer community points directly to another Reddit member's vault, as well as any Ethereum wallet address. In order to start contributing, users need to sign up to the vault, Reddit's local blockchain wallet, access via scanning a QR code through the official Reddit app." Very, very interesting here with Reddit starting to utilize blockchain technology. I love that. I think we're going to see more of that over the years. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What do you think about Ripple offering loans? And what do you think about Ethereum going to be coming to Reddit? I want to hear your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Once again, if you're ready to start affiliate marketing, you want to build a real full-time income, right? No more 9 to 5. Check out the link in the description. I will catch you next time. Stay safe. And as always, have a great day. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.